2013 BMW 335. What do you think? This thing is a Hellcat killer or what?
Yes, sir.
I don't know if you could build it up. It might be. We did a muffler delete today, guys. We removed the muffler. We had to install that white pipe right there, and we just ran the pipes right out of the back. The customer didn't want to change the tips, so we left on the stock tips. You could always do that later, you know what I mean? We have the resonator right here. That could always be the next step if you want it to be a little bit more aggressive. You might have a little bit of drone, or you could also replace it with something like a vibrant or whatever. Guys, we're franchising, so if you want to work on cars like this every day, all you have to do is check the links in the description. Go to gexhaust.com. We'll send you a franchisee packet, and muffedy.com if you want some merch. All right, let me know what you guys think.